Hey guys, and welcome back to the AMCrypto channel, your trusted source for your crypto updates. So today I have some juicy content for you guys, so you should definitely stick around here and like this video, smash up also the subscribe button and destroy the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And yeah, I definitely want to talk about Bitcoin and what's happening in the market, also what's happening on the dollar index and Ethereum. And let's directly dive into the charts here, guys. So here on the Bitcoin daily chart, we can see that we had here this descending triangle that Bitcoin was trading in and broke here to the upside, got rejected from the $32,000 level and went then down here again, but maintained to stay above this downwards trending resistance line, which now became obviously, as it looks like, support, which is a really good indication for the immediate short term. So, but we should take this with a solid of grain, should not be too sure about this, because obviously this can still go in the wrong direction, at least for me in the wrong direction. I like that things go up instead of down. Yeah, so that is still a possibility. So, but when we are looking here on the daily chart, we can see that Bitcoin is actually also still ranging here in this range all the way from $28,500 to $30,600. Like I said, we tried to break out of this but got rejected and came back into this range. So, but what if I tell you that there might be something that's not crypto related showing us that we might be in here really soon for a really nice pump here to the upside? So, and for this I have to go into the DXY, the dollar index. So, and here on the dollar index, every time when the dollar index is pumping, the Bitcoin price is dumping. So now we saw here over 2 days, the dollar index was dumping and the Bitcoin price at that time was pumping. So now the dollar index is going basically nowhere. So it got a small bounce here to the upside. So, but I believe the dollar index is primed to at least come down to the $100 level here, to fall all the way down here. So that obviously will give Bitcoin a little bit of room to move back to the upside. So, and in the best case scenario, we see the dollar index falling through this to the next bigger support level. So in the next bigger support level around 97.5. So that would be a massive opportunity for Bitcoin to rally to the upside. So once we're losing the 100 level on the US dollar index, that we also lose the 97. So because then Bitcoin is definitely in for a nice run to the upside. So when we are looking here on the 4-hourly chart again, so then like I said, we saw here a small recovery rally to the upside, but also got here at the $30,800 level, for now rejected as we are moving lower. The support level here that I'm looking at is at the $29,300 level. So if we would lose this level, then we should be prepared that we definitely go lower. So then I would say the next one to watch would be around the $28.8 thousand dollars. So you should be aware of my trade will be still not liquidated at that point. I still have my trade open, so it has to go under $28,000 that I actually get liquidated, and I'm not seeing this happening right now. So especially Bitcoin is bouncing off here that support already multiple times, so which is also a good sign. So we could actually see here something like a W if the Bitcoin price comes up here again. So, and that could bring the Bitcoin price all the way back up to close to $32,000. So, and also, like I said, I will keep opening more long positions all the way up because the stochastic RSI on the 4-hourly chart is also almost at the bottom. I'm just waiting for it over the next 5 hours to bottoming out. And if I see here a nice buy signal where the stochastic goes up again, then I will open definitely also more long positions. So, and I will do this here on a BYBIT, guys. So if you want to trade and want to get a nice bonus, then you can use here my BYBIT link. There you still get $4,050 only with my link, guys. The only thing that you have to do is to sign up and then to start trading on BYBIT to get this bonus. Or you go to BitGet, there you also still get $4,163 in bonuses and a 15% discount on trading fees, also only with the link in the description of that video, guys. So definitely make sure that you take advantage of that. But obviously my exchange that I prefer to trade on is overall still BYBIT. So then let's have a look also in Ethereum. So Ethereum is still not able to break this downward sloping resistance line, but it looks like that we might form here a bump and run pattern. So where here we left the lead-in phase and going now here into the bump phase. And once we are breaking above this line here, again, we go into the retest of the neckline and then the uphill run. So if we would treat it like a bump and run pattern, then the target for Ethereum, once we're breaking out, should be around the $2,900 level. So, but for this to actually happen, we have to stay within this range now that Ethereum came back into. So when you look back here, so here started this range. So we got most of the time actually at the price action where we are sitting right now, supported. So this level has to hold, otherwise we go to the bottom of this range and risk actually to fall through this. So, but if we can stay above this range here, then the chances are massively increasing that we see another attempt to break out of this range and actually also break above this downward sloping resistance line, and then continue our uphill run here from this bump and run pattern. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this content. Leave a like and let me know in the comments what you think is going to happen first. If we go here lower in Ethereum, or if we actually break here out to the upside and see a bump and run reversal pattern also for Bitcoin. I'm really curious what you have to say, guys. And you should also not forget that you can still sign up for my paid signals group, guys. We are really still crushing it there, even though the market is not favorable for us, but we are still making a lot of money there. So definitely contact my staff here with that link under my video in the video description. You should definitely check this out. So other than that, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.